Hello and welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info, and today let's discuss how to use more coins on AliExpress. So open AliExpress application on your phone, and before we start I should mention that not all items on AliExpress support discounts using your coins. So let me show you on visual example how it should look like. So I'm going to this item, and if I scroll down a little bit, I can see here extra % off with coins. So that means that this item supports discounts using your coins. And for example, if I open this item and scroll down, I will not see this line right here, and that means exactly that I cannot use my coins to get a discount for this specific product. Okay, so let's go back to item that does support it and proceed to checkout page. And I want to scroll down to summary section and to go to line saved right here. And if I tap here, I can see that AliExpress automatically deducted 1 coin to get my little discount for this item. And as you have seen, I did absolutely nothing, and AliExpress did it on its own. So I cannot manually enter amount of coins that I want to spend on this item to get my discount, because AliExpress did it automatically. So unfortunately, you cannot use more coins on AliExpress, but you have to look for items that provide you some bigger discounts with your coins. For example, this item suggests me extra 5% off with coins. And for example, if I go to checkout, scroll down to saved section, tap here, I will see that I have used 15 coins for this item and I got my 50 cents discount off. So you have to check which amount of discount you can get to certain item. So that's basically it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to our channel for more content like this.